sometimes I have this feeling that we're probably never meant to be humans. I don't think we were ever meant to be part of this earth. I think, with us coming on this earth, we've changed everything that this earth is, meant to be. Otherwise, I wouldn't be sitting here wearing these gloves and coat and all of that. That's just not part of our body. Right? This is just not us. We were never meant to be here. And sometimes I really feel that we as humans have done every possible damage to this earth that I guess is just irreversible. I come from a part of this world where we've modified everything. We've changed the world. We've changed the way we live. We've changed the way the water flows. We've changed the way the sun rises, whatever it is. And then now here we're facing the elements. We're sitting here, just sitting here and fighting the elements. And it's the elements that are changing us. So I think this is the way it's meant to be. The earth is supposed to really challenge us. We were never meant to be part of this world at all. I think we should have just left it to the plants and the animals.
And how has your trek been? As in, what were your notions and how things have changed or not changed while you were traveling to this place and then coming on footsteps? How has been this whole trekking experience for you?
The moment I heard about this trek from my friends, I just jumped at the opportunity. I knew I just had to come here. This was my ticket to heaven. Just look at this place. This is just so beautiful. This is where. So I come from a place where I have to live, and I think I'm right now at a place where I would want to live. Yeah, that's what I think this trek is all about. And it's done its bit. It's changed me. The last 4 days. I think it's been immensely challenging, but I think it's worth it. This is the kind of challenge that really lifts me up. The challenges that we go through on a daily basis just doesn't mean too much. And just walking up here to 13,000 feet where we are today from sea level where I live, I think it's really pushed my limits, and I'm enjoying every single minute of this trek. My legs are giving up on me, but then it really doesn't matter because this is all worth it. This whole experience of just walking the terrains that we have not changed. I think it's just been wonderful. I don't know what else to say.
And one thing that I wanted you to ask, and it's a personal question, but the kind of human that you are, how were your preconceived notions? There might be some, because you might have, but how were your preconceived notions from coming from a city then into a landscape where there is no one? And how things have changed, as in at this spot moment you are here, or how things have changed as in you like it, you don't like it, then when you are going back to the city, how will you feel? It's just a opinion that I want.
I guess, I'm probably just as human as most others. I've got used to a comfortable life. I need to have an AC at home. I need to have an AC at work. I need a bike or a car to drive from one place to another. I need food to be cooked the way I like it. So I think I need things the way I want them. And coming to a place like this, when none of that is possible, I think that's kind of a difficult adaptation. But what I'm getting out of it is the purity, the absolute, the sounds of nature. Otherwise, I'd wake up to the sounds of honking cars and the blaring TV and music on the roads and just utter chaos. That's not me. That's not what I enjoy. Because all of that comes with all of the comforts that we built for ourselves. There's absolutely no comfort here, but it brings all the peace and serenity and bliss of life the way it should be. Probably the way that I think I've best enjoyed life maybe 1,000 years ago, where we have not changed the world too much. I think I would have enjoyed that life a lot better. Yeah. So.
And would you like to come here back again?
Absolutely.
And one last question that I wanted to ask. No matter how small the amenities have been, how do you find, as an honest answer, the whole amenity setup and everything that has Renoc provided you with?
I think Renoc has done a brilliant job. I think we've got some amazing people who've accompanied us. They've helped us all the way. I mean, we're literally testing our limits, and they're there every step of the way and telling us how best to do it. Because every person's got his own limits, and I think they're doing a great job in terms of modulating everything. The amenities are. I think this is all it should be. I don't think it should be more. I don't think it should be less. Yeah. I don't think we need to change anything. I think Renoc has done a brilliant job in terms of doing the best for us, helping us explore nature the way it should be, and yeah, they've managed to keep us city folk happy amidst all of this beautiful landscape. This is a recce trip for me. I'm definitely going to be back here. I'd love to get my boys here. I'd love to get my wife here. I'd love to get my friends here. I'd love to get people to see how beautiful nature really is. We sit in a small little room and look at all of this beauty in the TV, but I don't think that's the way it's meant to be. I think we need to experience this. I'd love to experience this over and over again. This place, over the hills, over the mountains, everywhere. I think I'm going to be back.